Hi, welcome to day 1 of 21 video series and where I would be discussing with you 550 plus career options which you can opt. I have divided these careers into 21 major clusters and each day we would be talking about one such cluster, their specialization and many more things about it. So let's begin with our day 1 video today and we would be talking about agriculture and food science. Now, how agriculture and food science can be different. So, if you're someone who is interested in, working in field, and if you love, plants, understanding how plants work, how they grow, how food is produced, how can you, make food around you more interesting, or if you love, anything about plants or animals sometimes, then in that case this could be a good career for you. Moving ahead with this, we would be discussing about few important points about this career, which are career cluster, types of courses which are available, then a brief introduction about this, specialization, subjects required for studying into this careers, working environment जिसमें आप you have to work if you choose this career, competencies required for this career, earning and growing opportunities, openness for specially abled person, real life heroes and college universities entrance exams related to this particular career. So very first career cluster which we are talking about today is agriculture and food science. So let's begin. There are careers, there are courses which are available under this cluster, which comes under professional courses as well and vocational courses as well. And if you don't know what I mean about professional and vocational careers, please go ahead and check my video on vocational careers, because that will give you a detailed information about the same. Alright, so next is the sneak peek. So I have already informed you, if you love plants or if you अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ भी पसंद है जो कि प्लांट से रिलेटेड है, भले वो गार्डनिंग हो या फिर उनको ग्रो करने का कोई स्टाइल हो, या इफ यू वांट टू डू सम एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ऑन दैट, और इफ यू वांट टू मेक समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट, then this career is a best career for you. Then you can have a look about, then you can think about making career in this particular cluster. Now, the specialization tracks which are available under this career is agriculture biotechnologist, animal scientist, forestry professional, soil scientist, agriculture scientist, dairy technologist, horticulturist, agronomist, food scientist and technologist, and plant scientist. So these are the major specializations which come under this particular cluster. Now if you think about it, so these are the basic spokes in this cluster, and you can again make a super specialization under one of these categories. This was the specialization part. Now subjects majorly required for opting this as your career would be chemistry, physics, maths and biology. Maths and biology, both or either of them will work for that depending upon the specialization you choose. Then working environment. Working environment in this particular career can be indoor, outdoor. It will be on practical based approach for this particular career. Then you should be willing to work in nature with plants and animals. This is the major requirement. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि अगर आपको मिट्टी में हाथ डालना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, या फिर प्लांट्स को नहीं देख सकते हो, या फिर आप रूट्स के अंदर नहीं जा सकते हो, या अगर उसमें से कोई जानवर निकलता है तो अगर आपको उससे डर लगता है, then you should think about it कि whether you want to do this as your career or not, because in this particular career major role is working in field mostly and experimenting with soil, animals and all such stuff. So these are the basic working environment which is required. Now next is we would be talking about the competencies required for this particular career. You must be investigative, You should know how to solve problem, critical thinking, then scientifically, you should be good at science and scientific reasoning. Then judgment and decision making on any, you should be able to make conclusions over your observations or over your um, workings. Now, growing opportunity, if we talk about, so we have this particular career has a stable growth. However, it is a very good career for those who are really, passionate about working in this particular field. It can give you good salary if you work in corporates, in government sectors, and every other possible company or a region. Then openness for specially able person. Yes, this particular cluster or in these careers, specially able person can also make their career. Mostly mild physical people with mild physical disability, laparoscopic cute person, cerebral plasma, dwarfism, acid attack victim, low vision people, hard to hearing people, dyslexia people can work depending upon the specialization they choose. Not all of them can work, but yes, depending upon the field or depending upon the specialization, they can surely choose one of them. So there are few real life heroes as an example I would be giving you. You can go ahead and make further research on them and their life. Few famous persons in this who had made career and achieved some in this particular career is Dr. R. Pankaja Reddy, Sushil Kumar, and Meenakshi Banerjee. There are many more persons who have made good career in this particular area, but yes, these are the few. Now, if you want to know more about college, university offerings, or the colleges who offer these particular course as per your as per your interest, as per your specialization, then you can surely book your one-to-one consultation call with me, and I will guide you on how can you go ahead and make career in this particular field. Not only that, but we can also discuss about entrance exams and scholarship, which is a unique thing which I can offer you with a dashboard which is specially designed and customized as per your area of interest. So go ahead, click on the link on the bio and or in the description box and check with the details about the career. Thank you so much. This was for today's session. That was making career clusters, making careers in agriculture and food science. Tomorrow we would be talking about some other cluster. So bye bye. See you tomorrow.